I'm Carlee Howard with the Rafter Realty Group.
Are you looking to relocate, downsize, upgrade, or buy your first home?
I have sold hundreds of homes over the last 8 years, helping both buyers and sellers.
Experience the heart of Texas and DFW with your home and your last home.
This week, I'm going to show you homes in Westside Preserve with Pulte Builders here in Midlothian. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Pulte Builders or any builders or pre-owned homes here in the area, please let me know. I want to help you get the best deal that you can on your next purchase.